Hello everyone. Hope all are fine. Okay, enjoying yourself. Okay, today we will start new chapter. The name of the chapter is whole and part decimal. The name of the part is whole and part decimal. Now this decimal, what is decimal? Decimal is a one dot or one point. Okay, this is known as decimal, dot or point. You can say this as a dot. Dot or point, that is known as a decimal. Understood? So what is decimal? Understood? This dot or point, it is known as decimal. Now what you will see here it is whole part. This is known as a whole part, and this part I have divided into 10 equal parts. This whole part I have divided into 10 equal parts. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many parts is there? 10 parts. You will use your scale and you will draw this box. Understood? You will use your scale and you will draw this box, and what you are seeing that it is divided into 10 equal parts. Okay. Now what I have done here, one part I have colored there. One part I have colored. One part I have colored. Then what I have written there? 1 by 10. This last chapter you have learned it, fraction chapter. So it is, what fraction came? 1 by 10. What fraction came here? 1 by 10. Understood? Now what I will do? Now here what I will do? I will draw one line again. Okay, I will draw one line, and this line I will divide it into 10 equal parts. So starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Understood? I will draw and I will write here. I will divide into 10 equal parts. So here it is 0, 1 by 10. Here you can write here 2 by 10. This one 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10, and it is 10 by 10. Understood? It is 10. Clear it is? I have divided this into 10 equal parts, this scale. Now what I will write for this 1 by 10. In the decimal form, 1 by 10, what I will write? 0.1. What I will write? 0.1. What I will write? 0.1. For 2, in decimal form, what I will write here? 0.2. Here 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and lastly that is 10. Understood? So what you are seeing here, first of all I have drawn one box and I have divided this box into 10 equal parts. What I have done? I have divided this box into 10 equal parts. And what fraction it came? 1 by 10. Understood? If I have written 2 by 10, means how many parts you have to divide? 2 parts. How many parts you have to color there? 2 parts. Then you can write 2 by 10. It is 3 by 10. That means 3 parts you have to color. Fraction will be 3 by 10. Then understood? If it is 4 by 10, that means how many parts you have to color? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Then it will be the 4 by 10. 5 by 10, 5 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood? If it is 6 by 10, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to color 6 by 6 part. You can write here 6 by 10. If it is 7 by 10, 7 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 part. So you can write there 7 by 10. If it is 8 by 10, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What you have to do? 8 part you have to shade there. Then you can write there 8 by 10. Understood? Next, what you are seeing, that it is written 9 by 10. What is written there? 9 by 10. That means 9 part you have to shade there. And 10 means whole part is known as 10. 10 as a whole part. 10 is known as whole number part. Understood? 10 is known as whole number part. Now for 1 by 10, what decimal you will write? 0.1. For 2 by 10, decimal what you will write? 0.2. For 3 by 10, what decimal you will write? 0.3. 4 by 10, what decimal you will write? 0.4. Understood? For 5 by 10, what decimal you will write? 0.5. And for 6, 0.6. And for 7, what you will write? 0.7. For 8, what decimal? 0.8. And for 9, you can write here 0.9. Now it is clear to you all. If it is given in fraction, in decimal form, you can write like this way. So after that, this is the form, you have changed this into decimal. Now what is a decimal point? The dot in the decimal number is called decimal point. What is the decimal point? The dot, this is the dot. The dot in the decimal number is known as decimal point. So in this line, I have shown you the things I have drawn. One more line. So here one dot is there. The dot in decimal number is known as decimal point. This point is known as decimal point. And this number is known as whole number part. Understood? The number which is left side of the decimal, that is known as whole number part. The number that is right side of the decimal, that is known as decimal part. What is known as that you can call decimal part. Clear? Now this point is known as decimal point. So how do you read one after the dot? How do you read one after the dot? The dot is called the decimal point. How do you read one after the dot? It is called a decimal point. What does this dot represent? This dot represent as a decimal point. Understood? It is clear to you all? So in whole and part decimal today, what you have learned? You have learned that about decimal, what is decimal you will know. So in decimal, how you will represent the number as a decimal. So this dot is known as a decimal. How you will understand it is in decimal or not? So first what you have to do, you have to take one whole part, and this whole part, what you have to do? You have to divide this whole part into 10 equal part. What you have to do? You have to divide this whole part into 10 equal part. Understood? If one part is shaded, then what you will write? 1 by 10. If two part is shaded, what you will write? 2 by 10. If 3 is shaded, what you will write? 3 by 10. Okay? If 4 part is shaded, what you will write? 4 by 10. Understood? Like this way, If 5 part, then 5 by 10. 6 part is shaded, you will write 6 by 10. If 7 part is shaded, you will write 7 by 10. 8 part, 8 by 10. If 9 part is shaded, you will write 9 by 10. And whole is known as a whole part. Whole thing known as a whole part. 10 part. Okay. Now this one, 1 by 10, you have to represent in decimal. How you will represent that in decimal? So you have to write 0.1. What you will write? 0.1. If it is 2 by 10, how you will represent? 0.2. Understood? If it is 3 by 10, how you will represent in decimal? 0.3. If it is 4 by 10, how you will represent? 0.4. Okay? If it is 5 by 10, how you will represent? 0.5. If it is 6 by 10, how you will represent it? 0.6. And if it is 7 by 10, you will write there 0.7. If it is 8 by 10, 0.8. If it is 9 by 10, you will write 0.9. Understood? So like this way, you can represent it. Understood? Like this way, you can represent it in a decimal. Now this one, what you have seen here, here it is a decimal part. Okay, it is a decimal part. Point is known as a decimal point, and right side of the point, that part you can call decimal part, and left side the number decimal, left side of the decimal, whatever written there, you can say that one whole part number, whole number part. After decimal, that means right side of the decimal, whatever written there, you can call that decimal part. That is called as a decimal point. Now it is clear to you all, the dot in a decimal number is called a decimal point. The dot in a decimal number is called decimal point. Okay, it is clear? Now, today this much only. Next day, I will continue how you will write in expanded form, place value, how you will say all this thing. Okay, till here today. Bye bye student. Thank you student.